Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It is 10. It is 10:07, I think. And today, guys, we are going to go to a fireworks festival that starts at 6 o'clock. So I hope you guys will get ready with me and come there with me to see all the stuff that we'll be doing. Bye. Okay, guys, so it's like 3:05 now. It was 3:04, but I got my hair retwist, as you guys can see. It was not retwist. I had to get it washed because I only had this in, well, I only started doing locks was from 6th grade, but it was only 2 days when it was the end of the school. And so it's now July and my hair is still short, but it's shrinkage. But yeah, like I said, we're going to go to the fireworks festival. We're going to do some stuff, I guess, watch the fireworks, because the fireworks are fun to watch. I'm out here eating food and watching Coco Coin. I'll show you guys my outfit once it's around 6 o'clock, because we won't, because it's from 6 to 10, so we'll be there around 7. So yeah, so I'll show you guys my outfit and the jewelry I'll be wearing to that, and yeah, and then we'll be at the firework festival. See you guys there. Okay, guys, so I just woke up from my nap. I have my clothes already picked out for you guys, and I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Okay, guys, so this is my outfit. I have this red skirt right here, my bracelets, my ring, my other bracelets, my pearl necklace, this white and red shirt, which matches with these red shoes I have, and I also have like these bracelets right here that'll be also for blue and white. So that's my outfit. I'll put it on and then we'll do my makeup, and then that's it. Okay, guys, so this is my outfit. I have changed my shirt because I didn't like the way it looked, so I have this red shirt on. I have my bracelets on, my ring, my earrings, like these cross earrings right here, and I have these other bracelets and the skirt right here, and then I have my shoes, if you guys saw my shoes. But yeah, those are my shoes, that's my outfit, and then I record the rest at the parade. See you guys when we get there. Okay, guys, so we made it here at the parade. At the fireworks festival.
What'd you spy, boy? It's not that bad if you go down and there's a little bridge down there too.
Oh, it's a little bridge then? Okay.
Yeah, there's like a huge ditch right there. We either jump here or go to the end and walk around.
We're gonna go, let's walk around.
There's like a huge ditch.
Okay, guys, as you can see, we made it, and there's a lot of people over there. There's like a bunch of cars, like over here, over there, and stuff like that. So okay, guys, so we're heading down over there to all the stuff with the food, and then there's a big jumping castle over there. So we're just gonna walk around, maybe we'll get something to eat, and then I'll record some of the fireworks. So see y'all guys. Okay, guys, so we are getting something to eat from this place. I'm gonna get me a strawberry lemonade, and that's it because I don't want nothing to eat now. So yeah.
Chicken.
Look on the thing right there.
Okay, scratch that. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm getting wings and fries.
That's really hot.
That's hot.
Yeah, super hot. I don't think you want something spicy?
Yeah, but it's different. It's not Buffalo Wild Wings.
My brother's trying to get something to eat and it's hot. So
Carolina Hot Boy is a good hot one. It's not as hot as mango habanero.
Okay. You want hot teriyaki? Oh, you want the mango habanero?
You said the
Regular hot wings. You got like a regular.
he wants something hot.
You want that one?
And
yeah, that's right.
You gotta make sure that
regular hot
you looking like you sure.
Okay.
Mango habanero.
we're just looking at these shop stuff right here.
So good to see you.
It's so cute.
Mama, you see the cups?
Like, it's so cute.
I'm sorry. It's actually $20 cup.
Okay. I see.
They got
I see. I'm gonna show you guys some of these stuff around so y'all can see my face. So let me just show you guys. It's $5. It smells really good out here. It smells like coffee. But I got me a bracelet. And the other stuff I'll get from here, I'll show you guys when we head back home from the fireworks show. I'll show you guys what I got from here. Say hi, Daddy. Stuff like that, and it's $2. That so it's really trying. Is it good? I mean, it look like it feel good.
No, you gonna buy it?
It's big.
It's $4. You gonna buy it?
That's great. Got me some cotton candy. Say hi. My sister. Always doing dumb crap. Okay, guys, so my sister want to show you our China cotton That's nasty. I don't like that. Okay, guys, so we look at the spot for a moment to get something, but it was all out. But we're heading back to our food. This food waiting is so long, guys. Like, we are number 39. And it's like a long wait. But we should have had got called by now. It was on 33 and then it went back to 31. So no, even after they come here. Excuse me. We're heading back to the food, and our dad and sister and my sister and brother are still waiting. They ain't call us yet, so it's like a long. I can show you guys right now. Like, oh wow, it's like a whole bunch of people, bro. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video, but before I do, I want to say something about myself. I'm really sorry for not vlogging that much. I mean, I vlog a lot, but like not that much. When I vlog, I get really nervous and I don't like when people look at me. So during this whole YouTube channel, I hope I get y'all whole support, and I hope it can help me get really brave and confident on how I record around people. I just get really nervous and don't know what to say. I'm gonna try my best to record better during this whole YouTube channel and during this whole 2020 year. And the next vlog will be about me going school shopping for my school stuff. And then, yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can bring my phone into school, but like, it gets really nervous. And plus, we have a principal and they're really strict about phones, and so we can't. Was really strict about phones, so they don't let us have our phone out. So that's why we like thing. But I'm gonna try to bring my phone to see if I can record some, let y'all see some of my friends during special area and stuff like that. I'm going to the 7th grade, so I'll do a school shopping stuff on supplies on me getting some stuff for 7th grade. But this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I hope you guys support during this 2023 year and during the school year. So thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next vlog.